Nimazor, 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 rar, rar.
Hello everyone! Welcome to today's vlog. So today, we are at a school mesmerizing the connection between mathematics and nature.
But before we explore the natural world, let Francine give us some information about the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the preceding one. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. This sequence holds a fascinating link to various natural patterns we encounter every day. Thank you for giving us those information, Francine. That will be helpful for us as we explore the natural patterns of the natural world.
Now, let's explore the world of mathematics.
Hooray!
So what's up guys? Nandito kami ngayon sa bagong building and we saw someone holding a fascinating sunflower. So, we asked his permission to join our vlog. So now, let's welcome Mr. Sachiki!
So thank you guys for having me today.
We should be the one thank you, Kuya Kim, kasi dinala mo ang sunflower ko. Ayan.
It's a beautiful sunflower. But did you know that we can relate this sunflower into Fibonacci sequence? Right, Ian?
Of course you can. Well, let's start with spirals. Have you ever observed the arrangement of seeds in sunflowers or scales on a pine cone? These spirals often follow Fibonacci sequence. The number of spirals in this structure, whether clockwise or counterclockwise, tend to align with Fibonacci numbers, resulting in standard pattern.
So if these have a relation with Fibonacci sequence, does that mean that we can also relate these and other plant structures and major designs to Fibonacci?
Have you ever wondered or noticed how the arrangement of leaves on a tree? Well, often they are associated with spiral surfaces or also known as Fibonacci sequence. Even in the growth of branches of the trees. Or how the pineapple skins form. Natural designs reflects mathematical principles.
Thank you for that information, Cesar. But other than that, are there other things that we can relate to Fibonacci sequence?
Yes, we can. Other than those, we can also relate it to animals, even humans, marine creatures, such as shells, and growing patterns. For example, the breeding patterns of rabbits, which initially inspired the sequence.
Wow! There's so much to learn here in our vlog. Let's give Sachi time to take and process and sink it to his mind.
No worries, Francine. Thank you everyone for all the information today. I hope you can invite me next time.
Of course you can. Now, if you learned something from us, please like,
Comment,
Share, and subscribe.
to watch more of our videos. Bye!
Bye!
To conclude, nature is a treasure trove of mathematical marvels. The prevalence of the Fibonacci sequence and the patterns around us is not just fascinating. It's a testament in the inherent order and beauty in the natural world. Thanks for joining today's vlog. Remember, mathematics isn't just numbers. It's a language woven into the fabric of our environment.
Wow! There's so much.
Singin na. Of course you can.
Thank you.
Arrangement? How this arrangement on a stem? No, you do not. Bye!